Quick quiz. What do most student project teams skip that lead to late nights, missing pieces, and that one kid whispering we're doomed the day before it's due? Is it A, choosing a team name, B, copying and pasting from last year's project, C, actually reviewing how things are going while there's still time to fix it? If you pick C, you've just discovered the sprint review. And if your students have ever done one, it might be the most important step you're missing. Hey, if you're watching this, you probably are one of the first teachers to find this channel, and that means a lot. I'm building this for teachers like you, people who want structure and systems that make classroom life better, not busier. So if you're here early, you're not just watching, you're helping shape where this goes. In this video, I'll show you how sprint reviews work, why they matter, and how they can quietly transform the way that students approach group work. No new tech, no extra time, no magic wand required. Here's what usually happens with group projects. Students dive in, start building, and hope it all comes together in time. And hey, sometimes it does. But more often than not, something gets missed. Someone runs out of time. And we end up grading more on effort than actual learning. Not because kids don't care, but because we never taught them how to pause, check in, and adjust. That's what a sprint review is for. It's a short check-in that happens at the end of a work cycle, or sprint. Here's how it works. You split the project into 2 sprints. At the end of the first one, teams answer 3 questions. 1. What did we finish during the sprint? 2. What didn't we get done and why? And 3. What's next for our team? It's like halftime for a project. Not to catch mistakes, but to build the habit of progress checking before it's too late. When students run sprint reviews, they learn how to break work into manageable chunks, talk through roadblocks without blame, adjust tasks as needed, and plan their next steps with more clarity. It teaches that group work isn't about perfection, it's about process and adjusting your plan. That's not failure, it's strategy. So here's how to do it. Pick a midpoint in your project 2 or 3 days in, have teams look at their task board or checklist, and ask, what's done? What's slowed you down? What's next? Let them revise their plan as a team. If it's quiet at first, that's okay. You're teaching reflection. Keep it simple, stay curious, and support progress, not perfection.
Hey, progress, not perfection.
Let's bring it into real classrooms. One group realized no one has started the bibliography. Sprint review caught it in time. They've reassigned it, and they moved on without panic. Another group had a beautiful poster, but forgot to assign speakers. Sprint review surfaced that gap, and they added a rehearsal task to their next sprint. These aren't disasters, they're little gaps that the sprint reviews are built to catch. Let's be honest though, your first few sprints might feel clunky. Some students will just report out, others might need help going beyond we're fine. That's normal. You're building a new habit. Stick with it, normalize it. Celebrate growth, not perfection. Because when it clicks, students start solving problems before you even step in. If you're still watching, you're part of the foundation of this channel. And I'm creating these videos for teachers who want a smarter system and better group work, not more chaos. So here's your next move. Try a sprint review in your next group project. And coach the process, don't take it over. Track the growth and how your students think and plan. If that sounds like your kind of teaching, hit subscribe. I'd love to have you here as this channel grows. And if you want plug and play tools to make this even easier, grab my Agile Classroom Guidebook. It's just $1 with the code AGILE1. You don't need to overhaul everything. Sometimes one small shift, like a sprint review, can really make the difference. Thanks for being one of the first, and let's build this together.